beauties, it's Pekela Riley, founder of True and Pure Texture. I love to start my week off with a cute and easy protective style with jasmine coil clip-ins. It's easy to prep your clip-ins on wash day or as you go. A healthy stimulated scalp just feels like love to me, and I always gently smooth my hairline. What I love about jasmine coil clip-ins is that I can clip them in mere moments. With premium texture, you don't have to overthink the placement. Just feel and place them. On this half up and half down style, just curve them at the top for complete track and side coverage. It's so neat that as my style is emerging, I'm in a state of positive affirmation. Amazing thoughts manifest just as my natural style is manifesting. Pretty hair always creates a happy and secure state of being for me. With voluminous texture, I feel very confident, so I don't really need much after that. Just a light BB cream and a pop of color on the lip, and I'm out the door for a true and pure amazing day.